Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to close my Citibank account. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is simply going to Citi.com. Of course, if you're using the app, go and open the app and make sure simply to sign in into your account using your user ID or password. If you're on the phone, you can even use the Touch ID, so make sure to go and do that. Of course, you can also sign in using the QR code. If you're signing in your, as example, phone, you can scan this with your phone and you'll be able to sign in with it as example, and you should be good to go. So now how to close your account. To close your account, simply you'll need to contact your account manager or documentation specialist to discuss requirements and receive an account closure checklist request form. So the first thing that you'll need to do basically is fill in all relevant field on account closure form, because he will give you the form, you will have to fill it, then transfer funds via Citi Direct to zero the account balance. If you have any balance left, you'll have to remove it, and the Citi will refer to the empowering documents, board resolution and trade register or equivalent, to verify the authority of authorized signatories on the account closure form. The signatories, of course, need to have explicit power to close account. Citi does not rely on the signature card or GMTA. In case you instruct Citi to bring the account balance to zero, you must complete section 2 of the account closure form, and please ensure that Citi holds the most recent and valid global manual transaction authorization form, which is of course, GMTA, with a valid callback nominees and contact numbers. And your documentation specialist will provide you with the address where the account closure form should be sent. And you should be then good to go after following these steps. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.